Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit of an informational video about Korean ingredients that are going to be strange to a Western audience. And when I say Western audience, I mean European, North American style of audience, not an Asian audience. So Korean beauty has long had a reputation, especially in skincare. And these are all skincare ingredients I'm talking about today. In skincare, that they are innovative and willing to take risks with the ingredients that they use in order to have really high quality benefits for your skin and high performance benefits for your skin. So what I'm going to do today is I have 5 ingredients I'm going to discuss. I'm going to discuss the benefits of them as well as if I use them or not and my reasoning behind it. All right, so let's get right into it. I have notes here, so if I'm looking down at my notes, that's why. So the first ingredient I want to talk about is snail essence or snail mucin, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is the mucus from the body of the snail. When snails get agitated, they secrete a mucus to protect themselves from danger. And what has happened is Koreans were the first ones to realize the skincare benefits of snail mucin. It's full of, especially the entire gamut of skincare benefits. Snail mucin is incredibly hydrating because it is a gel consistency. It's incredibly hydrating. It contains a lot of antioxidants which help plump up the skin and smooth out wrinkles and fine lines for anti-aging purposes. And it's packed with a whole bunch of nutrients like hyaluronic acid, which I'm going to talk about in a bit, glycolic acid, which if you'll notice is in the Sunday Riley Good Genes, which is amazing for anti-aging properties, as well as peptides, which are great for nutrition in the skin, which will help with dry skin or to calm down oily skin and rebalance the acidity in your skin as well. So it's full of nutrients, it's full of skincare benefits, and it's really beneficial for the skin in the long run. Snail mucin is also antimicrobial, so it helps with acne scarring, as well as acne in general. If you have open acne or you are a pimple popper, I'm a pimple popper. I don't have a lot of acne, but I do get the occasional breakout. Well, not really breakout, it's like one zit. I'm sorry. I do get the occasional one zit, and I am a pimple popper. I'm not afraid to admit it. I like to pop my pimples. And when you have open sores, you need something that's antimicrobial to keep the bacteria from getting in and infecting an open wound or getting in through any type of abrasion in your skin. If you're exfoliating too hard, you can create little micro tears in your skin as well, which can allow bacteria in to cause breakouts. So snail mucin really helps with the antimicrobial properties. For whether I use it or not, I do use snail mucin. I don't use it as much as Tyler does. Tyler uses it for his acne because he's more sensitive than I am. So the nutrients in it help with the sensitivity, as well as his oily skin. It helps with maintaining that moisture balance within his oily skin. However, I do like to use it every once in a while in a sheet mask format to help with dryness. If I have any dry patches, or if I feel like I need a smoother surface to work on to put makeup on top of, I will use a snail mask to smooth out any, fine lines or any type of roughness I have on my skin. The next product I'm going to talk about is horse oil. And horse oil is exactly what you think it is. It is the oil derived from heating up horse fat. Be warned, to be honest, it's normal apparently in Asian countries. Like it is where in a lot of Asian countries, they actually eat horse. Horse is considered a farm animal and a food source. So they use the entire animal the same way we used to use whale oil as lantern, to use the entire animal. So taking the fat and boiling it down to create this skincare ingredient is getting more and more popular in Asian countries, but it is viewed as strange and kind of negative in Western countries because we're not used to eating horses. So using the entire animal, it's very beneficial to the environment because you're not throwing any part of the animal away, and if you're eating it anyways, it's the same as using cows for leather as well as a steak. So my thoughts on it is well, first of all, I don't think I would personally use it. I don't feel comfortable using it, and that is a personal thing. If you feel comfortable using it, all the power to you. But for me personally, I don't feel comfortable using it just because I'm not in a country where I feel like it's okay to eat horse. I don't have that cultural option for eating horse, or like cultural food way to eat horse. So for me, I wouldn't use it in skincare. However, there are quite a few skincare benefits to horse oil. Horse oil itself is great for anybody with an irritated or sensitive skin. Or even acne prone. It is full of soothing properties. Because it's from fat, it contains these grease, oily type of business that will help soothe your skin. And you know, it helps soothe any skin irritations you may have. So it's mostly soothing properties. For me, another option for that would be aloe. Aloe works very well as well for soothing properties. It's a byproduct of horse meat production, they say. I did a little bit of research online about how they derive it, and it's kind of, again, as I said, it's boiled down out of the fat. But for me, I would rather use aloe because I find aloe works just as well, or even watermelon. Watermelon extract in any type of skincare is great for soothing irritation. So if you have red skin, if you've got a sunburn on your face, if you have acne, if you're feeling any type of irritation on your face, aloe, watermelon, and horse oil are the three kind of heavy hitters when it comes to soothing properties. Next up is the wonderful world of wine, specifically red wine. Just recently Neogen, well, not recently, but like Neogen is kind of the only one I've seen release wine options, other than I think Skin Food is starting to now, but red wine is full of antioxidants, which is great for anti-aging when it comes to skincare. It contains something called resveratrol, which when consumed and when put on your face helps stimulate collagen production, which helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles and to reverse the signs of aging. So yeah, wine is great. So have a glass every night. No, just joking. I'm just joking. But it's, if you have a chance to, if you're thinking the health benefits of wine, that red wine has more health benefits than white. And yeah, so wine is like great. It helps to, also resveratrol as an ingredient helps to reduce the stress in your skin. So it helps as well with any type of irritation, mild irritation that you have. It also contains polyphenols to help moisturize and make your skin more glowy. So if you're looking more on a mature side, wine, when it comes to skincare ingredients, wine can really help with moisturizing as well as anti-aging. So if you're an older person, and I'm kind of getting there, to look into anti-aging properties, red wine is something that can really help. So take another sip of that glass of wine and put it on your face. The next one I want to talk about, I mentioned before, is hyaluronic acid. And this is kind of, when I first heard of it, it was kind of a terrifying concept to put acid on your face. However, your skin is inherently acidic. It's sitting on the acidic side of the pH spectrum, which is why they say in the morning, CosRx has one, I believe, that you want to lower the acidity or lower the basicness of your skin. You want to heighten the acidity of your skin to help your skincare absorb easier. So for morning cleansers, CosRx makes one, I believe, that is a low pH morning cleanser. That helps to rebalance your skin to bring it back to that 5.4, I think it is, level of acidity. So hyaluronic acid is an acid that can actually absorb 100 times its weight in water. And now you can guess, it's great for hydration. If you're in a situation where you have very dry skin, or even into normal skin, hyaluronic acid can be one of your best friends. It can help immensely when it comes to getting water and moisture into your skin and locking it in. Hyaluronic acid, when it absorbs it all, it sits there and it waits till it absorbs back into your skin. So it's a powerhouse ingredient for anybody with dry skin. And hyaluronic acid is one of those Asian skincare ingredients that started over in Asian countries that has now made its way into Western brands and Western products because of the realization of how beneficial it is to dry skincare. However, because it absorbs so much moisture, I wouldn't recommend it for incredibly or extremely oily skin because it can over moisturize, which can make it greasy and can make your skin more oily than it already is. So I would kind of tread lightly if you have more towards the extremely oily or very oily skin. Even oily skin, tread lightly and kind of experiment with it before you jump in with both feet. All right, the last product I want to talk about is bee venom. And bee venom I know has been around when it comes to smoothie making, especially with like Orange Julius? Or Booster Juice. Booster Juice in Canada here does a addition thing when you make a smoothie, when you buy a smoothie. They used to have these additions and one of them was bee venom. And bee venom is something that when you put it on your face, the poison part of the venom, like the venom part of the venom, actually makes your skin think that it's been stung lately. And that stimulates the facial muscles to start producing collagen in the lower areas of the skin, which can plump up your skin temporarily. And it helps with blood circulation. So if you're feeling, which can help with fine lines and wrinkles and stuff where your skin is kind of sagging or anything like that. So when you put bee venom on your skin, when your skin thinks that's being, all your facial muscles are going to tense up, which is going to automatically make your skin look plumper. And over time, it can help with collagen production and blood circulation through your face. The only caveat with this, and I'm sure a lot of people will know it if they have allergies, is if you're allergic to bees, don't put it on your face. You will have an allergic reaction because with allergies, when you're allergic to bee stings, you're allergic to the venom, which can cause a myriad of health problems. So I would not recommend bee venom if you have any type of allergy to bees or any type of allergy to bee stings. However, if you're looking for something more anti-aging that will temporarily plump up your skin, if you've got like an event or anything like that going on, or you're just feeling generally tired, bee venom can really help to temporarily plump up your skin. All right, that's the 5 Korean skincare products that might sound weird to Western audiences, but are generally very, very good for your skin and their benefits, and if I use them or not. So that's it for this video. Are there any other ingredients you can think of in Korean skincare that aren't in Western skincare yet or would seem weird to Western skincare people? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to be see more content from me, don't forget to hit the little red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I post new content, don't forget to hit the little bell next to it. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.